Good morning to everyone. In today's session, we are going to design different electrode configurations using COMSOL multiphysics software. So for that, we have to choose a space dimension in 2D, and in particular application mode, we have to choose in AC/DC model, quasi-static electric, in-plane electric current. In that, we have to choose the time harmonic analysis. Then we have to click OK. So after choosing the model navigator, there will be a dialog box. Already I told so many times. So there will be a dialog box. Here we are going to design. So before going to design, we have to edit the axis as well as grid setting as our own. So we have to choose a minimum value of 0, maximum value of 10, and minimum value of 0 and maximum value of 10. This is our own purpose only. We can choose our need, and either maybe x minimum in the value of minus or y minimum value in the minus. That is our own opinion. So here the values of x grid as well as y axis values may be changed. Like the same, we have to choose it as a grid settings. So now the grid is also changed. Then we have to design a electrode configurations. So there are 4 different types of electrodes are there: point electrode, plane electrode, plate electrode, and sphere electrode. So there may be a combination of these type of electrode, or there is a homogeneous combination of this material can be used. Okay, point to point, or point to plane, or point to sphere, or point to plate. There are plenty amount of combinations are there. So we have to choose a best combination that would be used in the electrical apparatus for better efficiency or better lifetime estimation. Okay, so in this session I am going to design a point to point electrode configurations. Okay, so for that we need to design a point electrode. So we have to choose the line, and we have to choose a sharp edges, and we have to design a point electrode. The same configuration we need to design it in the opposite side. So we have to choose the line, same line, and we have to I think so the dimension of the two electrodes should be same. So now I design a 2 electrode, that is a 2 point electrode of same dimension, and it should be spaced at the distance of 0.1. Okay, 0.1 centimeter. Okay, so it's our own options. The distance may be changed, depends upon the availability. Okay, for example, if I want to have a case study of 0.1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, so whatever we need, we have to design accordingly. So here the whole object should be kept in a air medium. So there are two different there are two point electrode that should be placed in a box. Let us assume that the box is filled with of air. Not only air, this is our own opinion. So that may be air or SF6 gas or a transformer oil or vegetable oil, whatever may be the medium we have to choose. Okay, so now the diagram is over. If I want to design a sphere electrode, means simply just click the sphere and we have to choose. This is a sphere electrode. Okay, no, if I want to draw a plate electrode, mean just this is a plane electrode. Now if I want to draw the plate electrode, means just click the line and draw a line. So then here, then this is a new option, so we have to choose a base and curve. சரியா? There is a option near below to the line. There is a base and curve. We have to choose the base and curve. And if we want to draw a curve, means we have to click 3 different points. Okay. First, I want to click the starting point. Then I want to click the center point. Then I have to click the ending point. See, there will be a curve occurs. This is called as base and curve. This type of curve is mainly due to avoid the Carnot effect. So Carnot is mainly occurs on the sharp edges. So in order to avoid this type of Carnot effect, we have to choose this type of base and curve. Okay, like the same, we have to move towards. We have to choose the third point. Then on the same, we have to click the line and move the line towards downwards. Then we have to click the base and curve, like the first point, second point and third point. See, then we have to choose the straight line. See, this is a plane electrode. So I already told that there are 4 different types of electrode there. This one is point electrode, this one is sphere electrode, this one is plane electrode, and this one is plate electrode. So combination of this electrode can be used for the case study. Okay. So first we have to delete all the things. Just click the material and delete it. Okay. Then we have to go for the physics subdomain settings. So there are 3 boxes because 1 electrode, 2 electrode and a box. Okay, first click the number 1. So the conductivity and the permittivity will be 0 and 1 for air. So just apply it. Then we have to move towards 2. So load the library material and move towards the material library or basic material properties. Whatever material we can choose. If I want to choose a copper or an iron, just click the iron and apply. So the corresponding conductivity and permittivity of the material will be replicated there. Just click OK. So conductivity of the iron is 1.1 e power 7. So the permittivity is 1. Okay. So Siemens per meter. So just click 2 and 3 and choose the same value, then apply it. Okay. To ensure, we have to move one more side, subdomain settings. So so we have to further apply the material, iron, apply, okay. So 3 is iron, 2 is iron and third one is nothing but a air medium. So we have to ensure that the material, the corresponding property of the material is given to them. Okay, so these are the 2. So the 2 point electrode should have a same material. So they 2 are a homogeneous type of material. Here I am using iron. Then click it OK. Then move towards physics boundary settings. So in that boundary setting, as I already mentioned, that if we want to choose the boundary for the interior region, we have to click the interior boundaries. Okay. First, we have to click the boundary of the material and choose the electrical insulation. So the boundary of the material is nothing but an electrical insulation. Just click the 4 boundary of the material, then choose the apply button. Okay. Then choose the 4 point electrodes. And so there are 2 electrodes, point electrodes. So one should be a potential and another should be at a grounded. So if I'm choosing this, then click the electric potential 100 volt or 1000 or 10,000, whatever we like, then apply it. Then choose the remaining point electrode, one opposite side of the point, then choose it as ground, then apply it and OK. So here we are giving electrical insulation to the outermost layer of the box, and one side of point electrode is a potential which is having an 100 volt and another side of a point electrode which is having a ground. Then we have to choose mesh, initialize mesh. So after giving mesh, we have to apply the solution, that is solve problem. See, so this one is where we give a supply point electrode. This one is where we grounded. See the field distribution, that is a potential distribution. If we want to clearly know means this will, so the stress will be occurs in between the 2-point electrode where the stress is not take part outside. That is, while the distance is movement, there is no will be stress occurs on this side. The stress will be more accumulated in between the 2-point electrode because there will be a corona effect. The charges are accumulated on the sharp edges of the point electrode. Due to that, there is a more number of stress will be occur. Due to that stress, the breakdown will be easily occurs. So here there is a no stress. So for a better material, the stress should be uniformly occurs. So here the stress should be uniformly liberated. That means the lifetime of the material should be somewhat high and the efficiency of the material is high. So this is a major drawback. That is a major disadvantages of using point electrode of this stresses accumulated near the tip of the material. See, the arrow mask is moved towards the positive to negative. That is, the left side we are giving a potential and the right side is grounded. So the electric field always start from the positive charge and end at the negative side. So the arrow mark will be moved towards from one point electrode to another point electrodes. Okay. See, the potential is gradually decreasing from 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95 and respectively towards the bottom electrode which is grounded as 0. So from the tip of the 100 value, that is 100 potential, is gradually decreasing towards the 0. So this is a inference we came from the point to point electrode. Like the same, you can design as sphere to sphere or sphere to point or sphere to plane or sphere to plate. There are plenty amount of combinations are there. Finally, we came to infer that which type of electrode configuration will shows a better improvement in the stress as well as better improvement in the efficiency for the long term performance of the particular electrical apparatus. Thank you.